Hey there, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply hide your Steam game activity. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in your dashboard, in your store or library, doesn't matter. Go to right upper corner to your name, click on it, and go to view my profile. When you're right here, what you want to do, you just want to click edit profile. And then you want to click here to privacy settings. And you're gonna see it here like the game details or my profile. Now you have options. The first thing is that this category includes the list of games on the Steam account, games you wishlist, your achievements, and your playtime. Or or the title of the game you're playing. You want to just make it private. And this is how you do it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And voila. Or you can get like my whole profile private and you're good to go. And no one will know what you're playing, right? So this is how you do it. Thank you everybody very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some feedback, some guidance. Yeah. Goodbye.